going to cover here is the power source for your treadmill. It's very important that you have a circuit that has a ground in it. That is the way these treadmills are wired, and if you try to use something, for instance, a light extension cord that's used pretty much for lighting purposes without a ground on it, say you get one of those adapters that has the ground in it, this is not going to work. You have got to have a ground that goes into your treadmill. Otherwise, you're going to cause overheating problems on the lower control board, and you'll be blowing boards, which can get quite expensive on your repairs. A very good way to test the outlet is to purchase one of these circuit testers. And this circuit tester has 3 lights on it. It has a red and 2 ambers. And for the correct wiring, for it to show correct, you need to have the 2 amber lights lit up. If you have a red light, that's a problem. If anything other than the 2 ambers are lit up or not lit up, you've got a problem, and you need to get a hold of an electrician and make sure that's taken care of before you use your treadmill. Again, you don't want to use the light extension cord. You can, however, use a power strip such as this one right here, and you can see it has a 3-foot extension on it. They have them 6 or 12 foot. One of the things you want to absolutely make sure that you do is make sure that this wire is a 12 gauge wire. If you have anything smaller than a 12 gauge wire, again, you're going back to the possibility of causing overheating to your lower control board. It's very important that you have the correct wiring and plugs the outlet, the correct current on your outlet to prevent burning out of the treadmill electronics. There you go. Again, it's a very simple, this is a very simple tip that you need to know, because for the consumer and the technician, the first thing that I ever did when I would go to a customer's home to work on their treadmill, if it had electronic problems, well, even if it didn't, if I went for belts and I discovered that their treadmill was plugged in incorrectly, I would immediately let them know that it's a safety hazard, and you should be doing the same thing. You need to let your customers know that their treadmill is a safety hazard if they're using anything less than a 12 gauge extension cord. It doesn't have to be a power strip. You can use a regular extension cord, and I would go no longer than 12 feet on that extension. And again, very inexpensive tool here. Very highly suggest that if you're a repair technician that you have that tool in your tool bag. Until the next video, this is Mike. We'll catch you later.